Hi, I'm Christy with WTI. I'm here to share with you my kids' favorite way to lounge around this summer. This is a modular sofa from Jela, and it's been perfect for summertime. What I love most about this sofa is the versatility. It can be used as a couch, lounger, or even to build a fort. It's actually designed to be outside. The fabric is UV resistant to help protect against fading and waterproof. So if you want to lounge on this right by the pool, no problem. Well, more often than not, my kids are using this. Adults can use this as well, and I've found it to be really comfortable. We've also used it as a bed during sleepovers or loungers while they're watching TV. It's made with a high density foam, so it feels very supportive. All the pieces are separate, so your kids can have fun coming up with fun and creative ways to stack them and play around. My boys have really enjoyed having their own designated outdoor seating, and because of its durable design, I love that they can play on it and have fun, and it will hold up to that. And that's my point of view.